Just bought a new scooter or a bike or a Honda Activa or a Suzuki XS? Then wait for a moment, because most people unknowingly damage the ride quality of their scooter in the first few months. So if you don't want to waste your money on expensive repairs later on, or if you don't want to lose the mileage of your bike, then watch this video before you hit the road. My name is Raisen and welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I will share with you 8 important things that you will have to keep in mind after buying a brand new scooter or a bike. From your riding habits to the maintenance tips, these points will help you keep your scooter smooth, safe and long lasting. So having said that, let's move on to the first point, and the first point is, guys, when you have just bought your bike home or even while you are on your way back home, never exceed your bike speed more than 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Yes guys, now your engine is new. Now these things even the showroom guy will tell you. How many of you guys bought a new bike and the showroom guy told you not to exceed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour and you did not listen to him and you rode the bike fast? How many of you guys have done that? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now let me tell you guys what happens if you do that. Since your bike is new, the engine is running for the first time, and when it is running for the first time, it does little bit of the shavings of the engine parts which are there inside of the engine. Now all those shavings fall in the oil, guys. Now when you ride the bike fast, more engine oil is going and circulating inside of your engine with all those shavings inside of it, which can damage your engine more, guys, which we will never want. So riding your bike slowly before you replace the engine oil is very important, guys. That is the reason why the showroom guys also insist that you should not exceed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour before doing the first servicing. So now you know why you have to do it. So do it, guys. Having said that, let's move on to the next point, and the next point is, guys, when your bike is still new, you should check your bike mileage. Now how to check your bike mileage? It is very simple to check your bike mileage, guys. What you will have to do is you will have to ride your bike till your bike shuts down, because there is no more petrol in the fuel tank. But guys, it is very important that you carry with yourself 1 liter of bottle full of petrol inside of your storage compartment. So when your petrol gets over after riding your bike, and when you know that there is no more fuel in your fuel tank, the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to check how many kilometers are there on your speedometer. Just note that down. Now fill the petrol tank with the fuel from the bottle which you have kept in your storage. And the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to fill that bottle again, guys. So you fill that bottle with petrol again, then keep it in your storage compartment, ride your bike again till the petrol gets over. Once the petrol gets over, again you will have to note the reading on the speedometer. Now you will have to minus that reading from the previous reading that you took. Once you minus that, you will get the exact mileage that your bike is giving now. So now you will have to put the petrol which is there in your bottle inside of your fuel tank, and now you can go to the petrol pump and top up your fuel tank. And now you know what exactly your mileage is, guys. So you don't have to ask anybody to do this thing. You can do it by yourself. It is very easy. So take a mileage test when your bike is new. So the next thing that you will have to do is, guys, you will have to check your tire pressure. Now this you will have to do before even taking the mileage test, because sometimes, guys, the showroom guys, they put too much air in your tires, and when there is too much air in the tires than needed, your bike will obviously give you good mileage, because now the tires are not getting a good grip of the road. It is also slightly dangerous, but guys, before taking the mileage test, make sure that your tire pressure is on the correct level. That is the reason why you should have a tire pressure checker at home with you, because you should check the tire pressure when the tires are cold. Because when you go to a tire repair shop to inflate your tires, or when you go to a petrol pump to inflate your tires are hot now, guys, and when the tires are hot, it is not the right time to fill them up with the correct amount of tire pressure. So this you should always do at home. Check your tire pressure, and when you set the correct tire pressure, now it's time to take the mileage test. These are very important things, guys, that you should do when your bike is still new. Now the next thing, guys, the next thing that you should do is you should read your bike manual, because there is lots of important stuff on that manual, guys, that is for your bike, because every bike is different. The tire pressure which is required for a Suzuki XS might not be the tire pressure which is required for the Honda Activa. So check the tire pressure on the manual. You will have to check your engine oil intervals, your gear oil intervals. All these things are mentioned in the manual, guys. So you will have to read it only once. Once you know when to do what, you are done with the manual, guys. So read the manual first, check how much tire pressure your tires are designed for, and according to that fill those tires up with air or reduce the air pressure, bring it to the correct level. Then you should go and take the mileage test, but see that you don't ride your bike above 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So the next thing that you will have to keep in mind, or you should not do, is, guys, you should not do any modification on your scooter or bike when it is still new, because when you do that, guys, your warranty is void. Now if by chance if there is any fault in your scooter and you are not even aware of it and you already did modifications on it, then guys your warranty is now void, and the showroom guys will raise their hands and they will tell you that you will have to pay for all the repairs now, because the warranty is void and they want this. So never do any modification when your bike is new, because some people have that habit of putting a new horn, they want to change their silencers, they want to do some taping on their paint. Now all these things when you do, guys, your warranty is void and you will have to pay for any fault in your bike now, guys. So ride your scooter or bike for at least 6 to 7 months, and once you are sure that there is absolutely no fault in your bike, then you can go ahead and do some modifications if you want, because now you already know that your bike doesn't have any fault. But when your bike is still new, you don't even know if there is any fault in any of the parts of your bike, because you are riding it for the first time now. So never do that. Moving on to the next one, and the next one is, guys, avoid revving your bike. Now many of us have the habit of revving the bike. Now, when the bike is still new, you should not do it, because your engine is still new, your engine oil is dirty because there are shavings inside of it. So this sudden acceleration can impact your engine, guys. So don't do it when your bike is still new. The next thing that you will have to keep in mind when your bike is still new, or even when your bike has become old, see that when you do a morning start of your bike, you keep it on for around half a minute or 1 minute, let the engine warm up a little bit till you take it forward. This keeps your engine in good condition, guys, and you will notice that in the long run. So never immediately after starting rev the bike and take it forward. Stay there for 30 seconds, let it warm up a little bit, guys. Take some patience and then you can go ahead. And the last point, guys, and the last point that I want to tell you, guys, is never miss your first servicing. Yes, guys, your first servicing is the most important servicing for your bike, because in that servicing they will change the engine oil. It is a very short servicing, but the replacement of engine oil is very important, guys, because all the impurities are fallen in the engine oil now, because you have used it for the first time. All those shavings, your oil filter is dirty, everything is dirty now. So once you replace it and once you put fresh oil in your engine, now you can exceed that 40 to 50 kilometers per hour speed, guys, and now you can test the limits of your bike a little bit. But what I will recommend to you guys is, once you are done with your first servicing, again check your tire pressure and again check your mileage, because some guys think that after doing the first servicing their mileage has dropped, and some feel that after doing the first servicing their mileage is gone up. But if you had not taken the mileage test before, then you will not come to know what was your mileage before and now if it is giving more or less. So always take your mileage 2 times. One is before the first servicing and one is after the first servicing. And like this, you know exactly how much mileage your bike is giving now. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison for Nandi signing out until we meet again. And remember to press that hype button.